Installing new windows in your home can greatly improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and even boost the overall value of your property. However, window installation is a delicate process that requires careful planning and attention to detail. Many homeowners in Lafayette make mistakes during the installation process, which can lead to costly repairs and inefficiency. To ensure a smooth and successful window installation, it's important to be aware of the most common errors and how to avoid them. Not choosing the right type of window. One of the most important decisions when installing new windows is choosing the right type for your home. Lafayette experiences a variety of weather conditions, from hot summers to chilly winters, and the right window can make a significant difference in comfort and energy savings. For example, energy-efficient windows, such as double or triple pane options, can reduce your heating and cooling costs by preventing heat from escaping during the colder months and keeping cool air inside during the summer. Not all windows are designed to withstand the regional climate, so it's crucial to consult with a professional who can recommend windows that are durable, weather-resistant, and energy-efficient. Failing to select the right windows could lead to increased energy bills, drafts, and moisture problems. Improper measurements. Accurate measurements are critical when installing new windows. Even a small error in measuring the window frame can lead to gaps or misalignment, making it difficult to properly install the window. Gaps can also cause drafts, water leaks, and increased energy bills. To avoid this mistake, it's best to hire a professional installer who has the tools and experience to measure your window frames accurately. If you decide to tackle the installation yourself, double-check your measurements and ensure the window frame is square and level before purchasing the new windows. Neglecting proper sealing and insulation. Improper sealing and insulation can be a costly mistake that significantly impacts your home's energy efficiency. Without proper insulation, air leaks can occur around the window frame, resulting in drafts and heat loss. Not to mention, gaps around the window frame can allow moisture to seep in, leading to water damage and mold growth. When installing windows, it's essential to use high-quality caulking and weather stripping materials to seal any gaps. Foam insulation should also be used around the window frame to ensure a tight seal. By paying attention to the sealing and insulation process, you can prevent drafts, water damage, and unwanted heat loss, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Skipping the flashing installation. Flashing is a crucial component in any window installation because it helps divert water away from the window frame, preventing leaks and water damage. Skipping the flashing installation or installing it improperly can result in serious moisture problems, including rotting wood, mold growth, and even structural damage. Be sure to use proper flashing techniques when installing your windows. This means installing the flashing in a way that directs water away from the window and into the drainage plane. If you're unsure of how to install flashing, it's always best to hire a professional to ensure it's done correctly. Overlooking the window frame's condition. If your current window frame is old, damaged, or rotting, simply installing new windows over it will not solve the underlying problem. The condition of the window frame plays a critical role in the overall success of the installation. If the frame is compromised, it can cause the new windows to be misaligned, leading to drafts, leaks, and potential damage to the window itself. Before proceeding with window installation, inspect the frame for any signs of damage, including rot, warping, or mold. If necessary, replace or repair the frame before installing new windows to ensure a solid, secure fit. DIY installation without experience. While DIY home improvement projects can be satisfying, window installation is not the ideal project for an amateur. Improper installation can lead to costly mistakes, including misalignment, water leaks, and even damaged windows. Many homeowners underestimate the complexity of the process and attempt to install windows themselves, only to find that they are left with subpar results. If you're not confident in your ability to install windows properly, it's worth hiring a professional window installation service in Lafayette. Professionals have the necessary skills, tools, and experience to get the job done correctly, saving you time, money, and frustration in the long run. Ignoring local building code. Every city, including Lafayette, has specific building codes and regulations that must be followed when installing windows. These codes are designed to ensure safety, energy efficiency, and proper installation. Ignoring these codes can lead to fines, delays, and even the need to reinstall the windows. Before beginning any window installation project, make sure to check local building codes and, if necessary, obtain the required permits. Hiring a professional installer who is familiar with these codes can help you avoid any issues and ensure your installation is up to standard. Conclusion. Installing new windows is a significant investment in your home, but it's important to avoid common mistakes that can affect the performance and longevity of your windows. By choosing the right windows, taking accurate measurements, properly sealing and insulating, and ensuring the frame is in good condition, you can enjoy a successful installation that enhances your home's comfort and value. If you're unsure about any aspect of the installation process, don't hesitate to hire a professional window installer in Lafayette to ensure the job is done right.